Hi, I'm Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Trans fats or trans fatty acids are artificially created fats often found in processed foods, baked items, and fried foods. Consuming trans fats can negatively affect fertility in both men and women through their impact on hormones, inflammation, and cellular health. So, we'll see how it imbalances the hormonal levels first. So, disruption of reproductive hormones is also very common with consumption of trans fat because it interferes with hormonal production, function, particularly estrogen and progesterone in women and testosterone in men. Hormonal imbalances can lead to irregular menstrual cycles. It can cause ovulation disturbances and reduce sperm production. All of these can decrease fertility. It also has an impact on insulin sensitivity. Trans fats increases insulin resistance, which disrupts blood sugar levels, and this poor insulin regulation can influence hormone levels, especially in women with polycystic ovarian syndrome, where insulin resistance is already a factor which causes ovulation problems. Trans fats also causes increased inflammation. It has a pro-inflammatory effect. What is that? Trans fat increase inflammation throughout the body, including the reproductive organs. In women, inflammation in the ovaries or fallopian tubes can impact equality in ovulation. In men, inflammation can damage sperm DNA, reduce sperm motility, and also cause oxidative stress. Trans fat can contribute to oxidative stress, where free radicals overwhelm the body's antioxidant defenses, which causes damage to eggs and sperm cells, which rely entirely on healthy cellular environment. Trans fat can have an impact on blood vessels, it can reduce blood flow, and it can reduce reproductive health as well. Trans fat increase bad cholesterol, which is LDL, and decrease good cholesterol, which is HDL, which can lead to plaque buildup in blood vessels. Reduced blood flow can affect ovaries, uterus, and testes, compromising nutrient delivery necessary for healthy egg and sperm development. Poor uterine health is also associated with trans fat because restricted blood flow to the uterus can affect endometrial lining quality, making it less receptive to embryo implantation, thus reducing the chance of a successful pregnancy. Trans fat also has an impact on egg and sperm quality because studies suggest that higher trans fats intake is associated with lower quality of eggs. Damaged or lower quality eggs decrease the likelihood of successful fertilization and embryo development, which are very important for conception. These also have been linked to lower sperm count, poorer sperm morphology, and decreased motility. Sperm health directly affects the ability to fertilize an egg, and poor sperm quality may lead to fertility challenges. Miscarriage and implantation failure is also associated with trans fat because in women, trans fat can impair the endometrial lining's receptivity and therefore the embryo cannot implant on it. Unsuccessful implantation reduces the chance of pregnancy. It also increases inflammation and oxidative stress, which have been linked to higher miscarriage rates. Poor egg and sperm quality resulting from trans fat consumption may also contribute to early pregnancy loss. So, trans fats negatively impact fertility by disrupting hormones, increasing inflammation, reducing egg and sperm quality, and affecting blood flow. Reducing or eliminating trans fat from the diet and replacing them with healthier fats like those found in nuts, seeds, olive oil can definitely improve your reproductive health and increase the chance of a successful pregnancy. To know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.